Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish a Base44 application on App Store. So let's get started. First of all, you got to preview the application that you just created in Base44 and then make sure that the application is published before you converting it into a native app. So let's say this is the application and here you can click on edit URL in order to change the URL if you want to do so. So I'm just going to let this URL be and I'm simply going to copy this URL. After copying the URL, you gotta head over to any of the website that will convert your web app into native app. For this, I use median.co because it is really easy to use. You gotta simply scroll down and go to this text bar. You gotta paste your URL over here and then simply click on build your app. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You can see that a website URL has already been loaded. You gotta give your app a name and you can select the email address with which you wish to build the application. And after that, you could simply head over and click on start building my app. And then you'll be redirected to branding. So you can select your icon. You can also customize your theme and colors of the application as you want to do so. And right over here, you'll be able to see simulator. So all of the changes that you apply, you'll be able to see them in real time. And then from the left side bar, you gotta click on build and download. And then you gotta choose the required app file. In our case, it's App Store. So App Store uses IPA file for iOS. So you gotta simply click on build. But for that, you gotta make sure that you have configured your iOS signing up. So once you have everything set up, you can simply click on build and the app will be built and you'll be able to see a download button. So simply click on download and the IPA file will be downloaded. Next, you gotta head over to App Store Connect and make sure that you have an account over here. To activate it, you gotta pay a $99 fee. That is basically a one-time fee. So after you have paid the developer fee, you'll be able to see that now you can upload your IPA files in the App Store Connect and all of those apps will be listed in the App Store and you can see all of the analytics of the app over here in runtime. So that is basically how you can publish a flow state app in App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.